lecturelu PGT Physics, the Nandal Public School. Yesterday we will discuss about LCR series circuit. LCR series circuit. Okay. So I think once again I can repeat the same content because it is very important for board exams and CBSE board exams and NEET JEE. Okay. So already this question asked in previous board and based on this content so many examples are given in NEET JEE. Okay. So, my dear children, please remember how we can get the final expression for LCR series circuit. Be careful. Okay. LCR series circuit. AC through the content is alternating current through LCR circuit. LCR circuit, Nana. Alternating current through LCR circuit. Okay, here alternating current. What is L? L means inductor. Like this. This we can say solenoid. Here in this case we can take inductor. Inductor. C means capacitor. Capacitor symbol parallel plates. Capacitor. And R means resistor. Resistor. Actually, these three are in series connection. Series connection. Okay, understand series connection. Be careful, my dear children. Coming to first diagram. Inductor, capacitor, resistance. AC source. It is AC source. Understand? Coming to the voltage across inductor is V suffix L. Okay. The voltage across capacitor VC. Voltage across resistor VR. Understand? Understand, my dear children? V suffix L means voltage across inductor. VC voltage across capacitor. VR voltage across resistor. Like that V is equal to IR5. Understand? Understand? Okay. So consider AC circuit having inductor, capacitor, resistor. Understand? Okay. So here VL means, what is VL? Voltage across inductor, that is equal to I0 XL. What is XL? What is XL, Nana? Inductive reactance. Inductive reactance omega L. Okay, understand. Next VC I0 XC. Capacitive reactance. V is equal to IR10. So what is the XC? 1 by omega C. Okay, capacitive reactance. What is VR? VR is equal to I0 R. I0 R. Understand? Okay, here so according to phasor diagram, whenever resistance is connected to AC source, the angle between current and voltage is 0. Okay, understand? Whenever capacitance is connected with AC source, the angle between current and voltage 90 degrees pi by 2. Okay, understand? Here one is leading, another one is lagging. Understand? Okay. Be careful, my dear children. This is phasor diagrams. This is phasor diagrams. Understand? Phasor diagrams. Understand, my dear children? Okay, based on this VL, VC, VR. Okay, this is over. Okay, according to phasor diagram, please remember this circuit diagram, very important. Okay, so E is equal to E0 sin omega t. Okay, source, that is source. how we can represent phasor diagram. So this diagrams we can take into single diagram. Okay, so very important one. This is current. This is current. Origin. Here we can take VL, VLC, VL, downside VC. Okay, understand here this is VR. Okay, then applied voltage, this we can take here. This we can denote it E0. It is represented phi which is equal to omega t. Understand? So phasor diagram, we can say this is called phasor diagram. Okay. So here we can have three vectors: VL, VC, VR. Three vectors. How we can get resultant? If three vectors is there, it is impossible to get a resultant. So that's why what I want to take means VC vector I can rotate 180 degrees clock or anti-clockwise. Okay, understand? VC vector, VC minus vector we can take like this. Okay, here VL, VC minus VC. Okay, so this vector we can rotate 180 degrees. This vector we can take upside. Okay, the resultant vector is VL minus VC. Okay, the resultant vector of both same direction VL minus VC. Understand? Okay, this VL minus VC vector we can replace parallelly. Okay, understand? Like this. VL minus VC. Here already VR is there. Okay, understand? So here we can by observing we can have right angle triangle. Understand? So OI E0. Understand? OI E0. Otherwise OAB. Understand? By using Pythagoras theorem, we have to find magnitude. Understand? That is E0. Understand? Very important. Be careful. By using three phasor diagrams. This is VR, VL, VC. Okay, if three vectors arranging like this, it is impossible to get the resultant one. That's why we can make less number of vector. So by rotating of VC vector 180 degrees, we can get VL minus VC. It is a single vector. Already VR vector is there. So this VL minus VC vector displaces right side. Okay, so VL minus VC. So these two are two sides of right angle. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem, we can get the OB, the magnitude of OB. Later, we have to get direction. Okay, please remember, copy from the whiteboard. Very important one. Right angle triangle OAB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. Okay, understand here OB is equal to E. OB square is equal to E0. OA square, OA is equal to VR. AB is equal to VL minus VC. Understand? Be careful. Then OB is equal to root of OA square plus AB square. Okay, OB. What is OB, Nana? E0. E0 is equal to VR square plus VL minus VC whole square. Understand? So then we know that VR is equal to I naught R, VL is equal to I naught XL, VC is equal to I naught XC. Okay, by using that, after substituting this, we can common I naught, we can get like this, R square plus XC minus XL whole square. Understand? So we can substitute these values inside the root. We can common I naught, means we can get like this. Understand? Understand or not? So E naught by I naught is equal to R square plus XC minus XL whole square. Okay, understand? So this equation represent V by I is equal to R. Okay, understand? So this E naught by I naught is equal to Z. So Z is called impedance. Or otherwise I naught is equal to E naught by Z. So what is Z? Z is called impedance. Impedance, root of R square plus XC minus XL whole square. Understand? XC minus XL whole square. That is called impedance. What is impedance? What is impedance, my dear students? Impedance means whenever inductor, capacitor, resistor is connected in AC circuit, some opposing property is developed in the circuit. So that we can say impedance. It is like a resistance. It is like a resistance, my students. Okay. So what is impedance? Impedance means a resistance is developed in LCR circuit, that is called impedance. The expression for impedance is Z is equal to root of R square XC minus XL whole square. Okay, so it is like a resistance. Understand? So this we can say magnitude. This is impedance, very, very important one. After that, how we can find the direction? So this is about magnitude. Okay, from the same triangle, by arranging phasor diagram in different manner, we can get like this. VR VL minus VC. This is E bar vector or Z. Okay. We can arrange like this. XC minus XL, or here phase angle phi. Understand? Here in this case, how we can get direction. Tan phi is equal to OAB. AB by OA. What is AB? XC minus XL by OAR. Okay, this is called direction. Tan phi is equal to XC minus XL. Understand, my students? Step by step you can write in your notebook. Okay, understand? Then phi is equal to tan inverse of XC minus XL by R. Okay, this is called direction. Understand? Otherwise, from the same triangle, from the same phasor diagram, we have to find VR VC, VL. So we know that VC minus VL, this is E naught, here phi. Okay, so from that we have to find the phasor diagram angle. Okay, so here also we can get tan phi is equal to VC minus VL, VC minus VL by VR. Okay, we know that VC is equal to I naught XC, VL means I naught XL, VR is equal to I naught R. Okay, by using this we can get same. We can get the same. Understand? Understand, my children? Okay, so the brief of LCR series circuit. First, so we have to draw a circuit. Okay, first we have to draw circuit. So LCR series circuit. Okay, so circuit, after that phasor diagram. Okay, phasor diagram. So this LCR circuit we can draw. After that, inside the diagram we can draw phasor. So after that, impedance. What is impedance? Impedance is a resistance which is developed in LCR series circuit. So what is the formula? R square plus XC minus XL whole square. Okay, next direction. Okay, so what is the direction? Phi is equal to tan inverse of XC minus XL by R. Okay, by R. Understand, this is the derivation. Okay, coming to cases. So finally we have to get E is equal to E naught sin omega t plus phi. Okay, phasor angle. Coming to case 1, XL is equal to XC. Okay, capacitive reactance is equal to inductive reactance. Understand? Okay, so in this case, from the impedance, Z is equal to R square plus XC minus XL whole square. Understand? By using this, we can get Z is equal to R. Okay, so this we can get resistive circuit or non-inductive circuit. Second case 2. Case 2, what means? XL is greater than XC. XL is greater than XC means phi value is positive. Means this inductive dominated circuit. XL is greater than means XL is greater than, it is positive. Okay, positive value. Okay, inductive dominated circuit. Case 3, XC is greater than XL. Okay, in this case we can get negative. We can get phi is negative. Phi value phasor angle we can get negative. It means XC. It means capacitive dominated circuit. Okay, by using this one, okay, XC is greater than XL means this is dominated completely circuit. Both are equal means resistance dominated. XL greater than means inductive dominated circuit. Understand my children? Okay, very important one. this derivation. Next, resonance in LCR circuit. LCR circuit. Resonance in LCR circuit. Okay, first, what is resonance? Okay, in oscillation, in last year, I have already explained resonance in oscillations. Okay, so resonance means natural frequency of the material which is approaches to artificial frequency. We can get the resonance. Understand? Okay, already I said the examples. By tuning radio, by tuning TV channels, while we are changing frequency with natural frequency of light. Okay, so by using this arrangement of frequency tuning, we can get the channel. Okay, the audio and video completely appear means the frequencies are coincide. Our frequency while changing remote changing channel, we can get the clarity means their resonance condition occurs. Understand? In this case, how we can get resonance means capacitive reactance is equal to inductive reactance. This is the resonance condition. Resonance condition. So what is the XL? XL is equal to omega L. XC is equal to 1 by omega C. Okay. Understand, omega is equal to 2 pi by T. 2 pi by mu. Okay. Understand, by using this we can get omega L is equal to 1 by omega C. Okay. Omega square LC is equal to 1. Okay. Omega square is equal to 1 by LC. Omega is equal to 1 by root of LC. Understand? What is omega? 2 pi mu. 2 pi mu resonance is equal to 1 by root of LC. Understand? That is equal to resonating frequency mu r is equal to 1 by 2 pi into root of LC. Okay. Very important formula. So this is the resonating frequency in LCR series circuit. Resonating frequency in LCR series circuit. Okay. So understand, when we can get the resonance condition in LCR, if capacitive reactance is equal to inductive reactance, we can get the resonating condition. Understand? So very important one. Okay, so today what we have to learn means first LCR series circuit impedance. Phasor diagram, impedance it is denoted Z. Okay, Z is called resistance in LCR circuit. What is the formula? R square plus XL minus XC whole square. Okay, XL minus XC whole square. So then tan phi is equal to XL minus XC by R. Okay, understand, resonating frequency VR is equal to 1 by 2 by root of LC. Understand, this formulas we have to learn. Okay. Coming to problem. In this problem they given angular frequency which is equal to 1000 hertz. Okay, Understand? Then capacitance they given capacitance 10 microfarad, 10 into 10 power minus 6 farad. So in this case, what we have to find means inductance at resonance condition. L we have to find. So is there any relation between omega, C, L? Okay, resonance condition. Understand? XL is equal to XC. We can get omega square is equal to 1 by LC. Okay, then in this case, L is equal to 1 by omega square C. This is the formula. Understand? This is the formula. L is equal to 1 by omega square C. 1 by omega square C. So you can write L is equal to 1 divided by omega square, 1000 into 1000 into C, 10 into 10 power minus 6. 10 into 10 power minus 6. See here, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 gets cancelled. 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means 0.1. 0.1 Henry. Sorry. 0.1 Henry. Okay. 0.1 Henry we can write 100 millihenry. 100 millihenry. Okay. Milli means 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3. Okay. So by using resonance condition, we have to get omega is equal to omega is equal to 1 by root of LC. Based on that, omega square is equal to 1 by LC. By using this formula, L is equal to 1 by omega square C. By using that formula, we have to substitute the values. We can get the answer is 0.1 Henry or 100 millihenry.